Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to adjust a video's volume in Adobe Premiere. To get started, I added a video to my timeline that's a tad bit too loud. To decrease its volume, you have a few options. One is to right-click on the audio clip and go to Audio Gain. Then, where it says Adjust by Gain, select the 0 dB and add a -5 to reduce the gain. Hit OK and the clip's volume will decrease. Should you wish to raise the volume, just add a positive number instead. The downside to this method is any changes are somewhat destructive because the change is burnt into the clip's waveform. Also, the effect is additive, meaning that if you decrease the gain by -5, then add another -5, the gain will decrease by -10. My preferred method for manipulating audio volume is via the volume level slider found directly on the clip in the timeline. To see this slider, simply widen the audio clip you wish to work on. You will see a white line through the middle of the audio clip. If you don't see the volume slider, right-click on the audio clip, select Show Clip Keyframes, Volume, then Level. From here, you can adjust the volume for the whole clip up or down. But let's say you want to apply more granular volume adjustments using keyframes to fade audio out and then back in during specific sections. Just hold the Control key on Windows, Command on Mac, and click along the volume level line to create 4 keyframes spanning the area you wish to fade. Now, click and drag the line between your 2 middlemost keyframes down to the bottom. This represents mute. You'll notice it naturally causes the audio to fade out and then back in thanks to your bounding keyframes. The length of your fade can be changed by adjusting your outer keyframes. You can adjust any keyframe in very refined increments by left-clicking a keyframe, start to drag, then holding down Control on a Windows keyboard or Command on Mac. This will slow down your movements. Most importantly, any changes you make here are non-destructive to the clip's waveform and easy to undo. Just right-click any keyframe and hit delete. Lastly, here's some pro tips. You can also ease your fades in and out by right-clicking any keyframe and selecting Ease In or Ease Out. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.